Yo, yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another ride. Today it's Saturday, on my way to the 24, 26, 29 Cruisers Only BMX ride. It's once a month on Saturday, usually like the first Saturday of the month. Headed there right now, probably about 5 minutes out. Just wanted to say what's up. Hope you guys are having a good weekend. And when I get on the ride and start pedaling some more, I'll show you guys what the ride out looks like. Thank you guys for always watching. Appreciate it. Hit that like. Chill, just cook. Thank you. See you guys in a little. Yeah, this spot right, it's back there. It's like a pizza brewery. This spot right here, sandwich. Yeah. Yeah. Send it. Yeah. Nah. Probably the same age. There he is. Oh, yeah. Oh, thanks, man. I've been trying to keep it up, man. Try to keep it look stock, you know? Thanks, man. I probably got like 4,000, I think, plus miles on it, too. I just swapped out the...
You've been tracked?
Yeah. Not like crazy, but just like in my mind.
You gotta do like, what, 15 plus?
Yeah, like 20 a day, yeah.
15, 20? Minimum.
Yeah.
I think everybody's too high. I want to hit him there.
Let's go. Mobbing out right now. Cruising with the 24, 26, 29 group. Cruising around. A couple people just ate it. Coming in too hot. Cruising through the park right now. Probably like 50 to 80 of us. Send it. Dope ride out right now. Break time. There he is. Dude, Buddy ate shit too.
Did?
Both of you at the same time. A little bit farther down.
That one spot, there was a gap in the middle when your tire gets caught in the gap.
Oh yeah. I don't think I got you though, hitting the wall. I for sure got it, like you hitting it, but I was like on the side of you. I probably got him on the floor. Yeah, it's a dope route because we always go that way. Going Buddy's route.
Huh?
Buddy's route. This is dope route. Liquor store stop. I don't know. Nah.
If they make a left on the Lomo, they on the side.
Oh, riverbed?
The tree's all messed. There's a tree leaning all over the side.
You should have dug it up, boy. Oh, this is right here by the riverbed. You love the riverbed, huh? It is cool to get places, but I like seeing shit more.